At Partner 2019, an international defense fair in Serbia, Airbus Helicopters presented the new H145M helicopter, which has been delivered to the Serbian Armed Forces. The Republic of Serbia will acquire 9 145M helicopters from Airbus. The H145M helicopter is a tried and tested twin Safran Ariel-2 engine helicopter that can be used for a range of tasks, including air rescue, troop transport, armed reconnaissance, utility, surveillance, and medical evacuation. It has several equipment packages that can be removed or installed depending on the mission. The Serbian helicopter will be equipped with a fast roping system, high-performance camera, fire support equipment, ballistic protection, as well as an electronic countermeasures system to support the most demanding operational requirements.